What are you making, sir?
Apprentice maybe English may go little bit way. Got the number. We're going to check up a flat so that the protein can rise when you put in the oven, right?
Yes, sir.
Don't know what's the ingredient. I've just been given the whole thing to do and was told to make it flat.
My dish for prepping for tomorrow's breakfast is zucchini and corn fritters.
So what's the mixture?
Zucchini, grated zucchini, corn, flour, this one here, chickpea flour, seasoning. That's it, I'm going to fry it up. Thank you.
Sharon, what have we got? Baked
I've
beans?
got baked beans. We have onions, garlic, Italian spices, mixed beans, and tomato sauce. Tomato paste.
Tomato paste. Thank you.
And dates to make it sweet.
Dates. The main job, Sarnang. Bunaka.
Getting up at Sparrows this morning and coming here and presenting this beautiful breakfast, the waffle, the lemons, everything fantastic. So thank you again. We really appreciate it.
Hope you enjoyed the breakfast this morning. Beautiful, lovely. Well, today is a very special day to us and a very special day to gentleman right at the head of the table that side. Today is his 90th birthday. Like to say a very special birthday to Vic this morning. He has been defying the doctor's orders since time eternity. And we'd like to say happy birthday to Vic, and may God continue to bless you and bless the family, and we hope that today will be a day of celebration. We were thinking to come and join you for lunch today, Vic.
I'm coming.
But I think there's not enough space there. Oh, we'll bring a chair. So with that, we'll call upon our youth group to come and sing a happy birthday song for Vic this morning.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Victor. Happy birthday to you. Happy long life to you. Happy long life to you. Happy long life, dear Victor. Happy long life to you. May God bless you. May God bless you. May God bless you. Happy God bless you. Hooray!
Absolute pleasure to be with you here this morning. It really is. And I want to thank Millie from the bottom of my heart for her invitation to join you this morning. And we are blessed. We are absolutely blessed to have this beautiful day, this fellowship coming together on Father's Day. Victor, happy 90th birthday, Victor. Well done, my friend. Can I tell you, I go to Canberra tonight for 2 weeks of Parliament. And not only have you... That's it, Victor. I wish I could take you with me. I'd like to take you with me. Yeah. But I'm going to come down and have it. I'm going to get my guiding instructions from Victor before I go down. But can I tell you, I've had fellowship, I've had nourishment of my stomach, but more than that, nourishment of my soul by sharing the day with you this morning. It has been absolutely beautiful. Our first hymn, Father, I thank you. Well, I do thank the Father, and I thank all of you for what you do in the community. You are such an important part of our community. I can feel the welcome, I can feel the warmth, I can feel the fellowship. So we are truly blessed. To all the fathers out there, I can't be with my father today. He's currently some distance away, but I'm thinking of my father today, and I'm thinking of all the other fathers here and grandfathers, and thank you for everything you do, from your grateful sons and grandsons. Each and every one of you is a blessing. So wonderful to be here. Thank you very much for the invitation, and I look forward to coming to Mother's Day and sharing Mother's Day with you as well. Okay, thank you very much.
Okay, we have Judith. She's an elder at the United Church in Acacia Ridge, and she just wanted to share her experience with the Father's Day breakfast this morning. Thank you, Judith.
Thank you. Walking up the road, just looking at our grounds, full of happy people, smiling people, to come in to see the tables decorated so beautifully, with the wattle and the lemons, everything set out, and then to be greeted by everybody with such happy smiles. It was a morning of joy and pleasure and worship and thanksgiving for every member that was here. We were all uplifted by the songs everybody sang. We enjoyed the message that Damien gave us about prodigal fathers and compassion. And we enjoyed sharing each other's stories and renewing our friendships. Thank you to the SDAs for the blessing that they bring to all of us.
Amen.